Look around. This joyous day has finally come, ladies and gentlemen. A day 10 years in the making. A span of time these two have spent together building a sturdy foundation for a lifelong union. A commitment to one another and an understanding of each other's personalities and passions. A good marriage must be built on the foundation of this commitment, I believe.
Thank you for sticking with me. I know it's not always easiest to be with, and at times it wasn't fair to you. I know I've been all over the place, and it took me a long time to learn how to love, and way too long to realize how perfect you and I are together. For 10 years, you've encouraged me to be a better friend and a better son. And at my best, I am only that way because of you. Thank you.
I have never been more sure of anything in my life than to spend the rest of it with you. I'm so thankful every day that the universe brought us together in the summer of 2008. For the last 10 years, you have loved me unconditionally and without hesitation, and I promise to do the same for you from this day forward.
In marriage, they say the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say I love you at least once a day. Speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways, and never losing respect for one another. It's always being best friends and giving each other an atmosphere in which each person can grow. Marriage truly is a magical gift.
So since we are sisters, I think it's only fitting that for this poem we start from the beginning. When my parents told me I was going to be a big sister, I knew what that meant. I'd forever be a babysitter.
But my story wasn't quite the same. I could do it all and had two people to blame.
Being Danielle's sister is quite a treat. She is super fun and anything but neat. If we were missing anything from a shirt to perfume, we could almost guarantee it'd be in Danielle's room.
Just know that we love you like no other, and we are so excited to finally have a brother.
I've always said that if you don't like Danielle, there's something wrong with you. She's the type of person that you always want to have around. And most importantly, I think she exudes a lot of positive energy. Danielle, even though it may not always seem like it, but you're one lucky lady to have him. And I consider myself lucky too to have such a great friend. Love you, buddy.
My name is Eddie, and I'm the father of the bride. We have a saying that the boyfriends are just tourists. They come and they go. But you managed to get a visa, a green card, and a citizenship throughout all these years. Simon, you got a good one right there, I'm telling you.
There are so many things that I love about you and that you've added to my life. I admire your kindness, thoughtfulness, and warmth. And when I squeeze you, it feels like I'm squeezing sunshine. I promise to do everything possible to nurture your ideas, show you love, make you feel loved, and build a home with you. Regardless of the ups and downs, I look forward to experiencing life together, growing old together, and knowing that as long as I'm with you, my life is perfect and complete. I love you.